Hello students, in this class we'll see trigonometric ratios for 90 degree. See, we know sin A is opposite by hypotenuse BC by AC, cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse AB by AC, tan A is opposite by adjacent BC by AB. Keeping this in mind, let's see when sin A means sin 90. When A becomes 90, what changes in the triangle? Now assume A is some value. When A becomes 90 means now it is like this. Some angle is there for A. When it becomes 90 means the length of the AB keeps decreasing. See, A becomes here, like that. So it merges finally with B and AB length is 0. AB is almost not 0. And when A becomes 90 degrees, C also becomes 0. So AC and BC merges each other. Okay, that means AC and BC value will be same. Understanding? When A is close to 90, AB length keeps decreasing because it's a, when A goes far from B, its acute angle increases. When A reaches B, because B is 90, A will also stop at 90. Okay, so A becomes near to A, near to B, near to B, near to B. So finally A and B gets merged like this in this figure. So AB becomes 0 and C angle also becomes 0. Okay, let's apply now. Sin 90 is BC by AC. What is BC? BC, we have value BC only. Now AC is merged with BC, right? See, check out. AC is merged with BC. So both are same. So sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is AB by AC. What is AB value? AB became 0 because as A becomes 90, larger and larger, AB length decreases. So AB is almost 0, by AC is AC, 0 by anything is 0. Okay, understand this concept, very important one to remember the values. Tan 90 is opposite by adjacent. Opposite what? BC. BC by AB. AB is almost 0, or even you can use reciprocal function. Sin by 9 cos. Tan is sin by cos, means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is 0 only. Anything by 0 is 0. Similarly, we can say cosecant 90 is reciprocal of sin 90. That is 1 by 1 is 1 only. Secant 90 is reciprocal of cos 90, means here it will be 1. So 1 by 0 is again 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Then cot 90. Cot 90 is, okay, this also becomes not defined because tan 90 is opposite. Opposite was what? BC. BC by AB is 0. BC by 0 is not defined. Cot 90 is what? 1 by tan. 1 by not defined is again a not defined. Remember, these values are very important when we solve the problems. We have seen in the previous classes trigonometric ratios for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Now, and 0 also we have seen. Now we saw values for 90 degree. All together clubbed together, and this is a chart. Sin 0, see, it keeps increases from 0 to 1. This is a hint actually. Okay, so sin 0 is 0. We saw it because sin 0 means when A becomes 0 means AC hypotenuse will merge with the base. So opposite will not have any value, opposite side. So sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It's a mistake here. 45, right? This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. Okay, correct. So actually how many, this is also same because root 2 by 2 means what? Root 2 by root 2 into root 2, 1 by root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, right? 1 root 2 gets cancelled and becomes 1 by root 2. That's also same, but we remember as 1 by root. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. It increases. Here, cos 0 to 90, actually see 1 to 0, this decreases. If you remember sin cos, check out their I mean, the sin 90 value is cos, sin 30 value is cos 60. These are same, and sin 60 is cos 30. This is a hint. Okay, and sin 90 is cos 0, sin 0 is cos 90. Once you remember sin cos, you can get cosecant secant because they are reciprocals. Tan, how do we get? Tan is sin by cos, right? Tan is sin by cos. Means tan 0 if you want, sin 0 by cos 0. Means 0 by 1 is 0. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. That is 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Root 3 by 2 will come. So this will be root 3 by 3. Don't remember this. It's 1 by root 3 actually. They are put in the different form. See, root 3 by 3 is nothing but root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 1 by root 3. They cancels actually. Okay. So 1 by root 3. You remember in this form 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1 because sin 45 by cos 45, 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1 by root 2 cancels and 1. Tan 60 is root 3 because sin 60 by cos 60, that is root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 cancels and root 3. Tan 90 is sin 90, that is 1, cos 90, that is 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. Once you know sin cos tan, secant, cosecant, cot are reciprocals of these three. We have seen in the reciprocal functions. So these values can be remembered. Okay. Please understand and try to remember this. There are many hints for this. What is the hint? For sine values, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, like that they'll say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4, take the root of it. Okay. And you get the values. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How do you get it? So see, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole divided by 4 actually you see. I'll do that. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is I'm explaining for sine. Whole divided by 4 you do. Take root of this. So sine 0 is what? 0 by 4. Anything is 0. 1 by 4 means root 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 because 4 is a perfect square. Sine 45 means root 2 by 2 it will become. That's why they have written root 2 by 2. They are using that hint. Sin 60 is root 3 by 4 means 4 is a perfect square, root 3 by 2 will come. 4 by 4 is 1, root 1 is 1. Similarly, cos, you reverse the numbers. That is, for cos, I'll say cos 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 divided by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Take the square root and you get the values. I don't suggest this to be remembered like this table to be remembered like this because this is a basic in trigonometry. The basics are learned as is. Don't use clues to learn the basics. Okay. Thank you.